Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, another episode in our 2004 Holiday Desserts and Treats series. So, today we're gonna make Drunken Mint Dirt Cake. Let's get it started. First of all, we have a big party-sized package of Mint Oreos. These things are amazing. We've been using them in our ice cream. It's going to be an excellent addition to this dish. So, this whole package goes into the food processor. Well, not the entire package. Just the cookies. Just the cookies.
Sounds quite reasonable.
We're going to go ahead and blend those until they are as crushed as the playoff hopes for the Dallas Cowboys.
Brutal.
He's not wrong.
It's early in the football season when I'm saying this. We'll see if I'm right or not.
He was.
All right, looks like we did it. Half of this mixture is going to go into the bottom, because I can't make it levitate, of a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. You can also make this in parfait glasses. In fact, I'm going to make up a separate one for our judge. But if you want to feed a bunch of people, use the baking dish. All right, bottom layer's done. Set that aside. Now, in a bowl is going to be 1 package of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 entire stick of butter at room temperature, this room, and half a cup of powdered sugar. Now, I know what you experienced bakers are out there thinking. Hey, that big dummy's wearing black and he's messing around with powdered sugar.
Precisely.
I do know how to dress sharp, but I'm not too bright. We'll see what happens. We're going to whip that together till that mixture is smooth. Yeah, it happened.
Oh no! We suck again!
Funny thing is, last time I made this, that didn't happen.
If you say so.
All right. A quick cleanup, a quick dust off, and we'll do the next step. Okay, in a different bowl goes 2 3.4 ounce packages of instant pudding. I'm using vanilla because I think that's going to go best with the mint. You could jazz it up and use French vanilla if you wish. Chocolate probably wouldn't be bad. In with that is going to go 3 cups of milk and our drunken part. Bailey's makes a vanilla mint shake or mint quake liqueur that I think would be incredible in this, but alas, I cannot find it. Instead, I have some Finley's chocolate mint liqueur. So a cup of that is going in with my 3 cups of milk, and all that's going in the bowl with the pudding mix. Oh, and then last but not least, at least 12 ounces of Cool Whip. I got a giant container here, so about half of this one. At room temperature. Or at least thawed. Now we should whip all that together. Hey, if you're liking what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button and become a sunscriber of the Galley of the Sun. So, see what I did there? Leave us a comment. What's your favorite holiday treat? Is there one out there that you'd like me to drunken? I'll give it a shot. And don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps us out. Let's get it mixing. Once you're happy with the consistency, then add in your butter, cream cheese, powdered sugar mixture. And mix all that together. Okay, once that's all homogeneous, it goes on top of your first layer of cookie crumbs. We'll get that all evened out. And then goes on top your cookie crumbs, evenly covering. Now, if this ain't quite enough sugar for you, you can add chocolate chips to that mixture. Our goal here is to get the whole thing covered with none of the filling showing from the top. For presentation, this is best done in a glass 9 by 13 baking dish. But if you have one made of wood, you can use that. Alrighty, we're all done but the judging, so we're going to bring in Gabby to tell us how we did.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Oh, it's really good. It's not like overly minty. Mm-hmm. It's a really subtle mint.
Yeah.
Which is really good.
Can you tell the alcohol's in there?
There's alcohol in there.
There is, there is.
No, you can't tell that at all.
Ah, even better.
Like at all, which is great. Yeah, no, this is really good.
Fantastic. So there you go. Hey, take your old dirt cake recipe, use some fancy Oreos, throw some liquor in there, and you got something good. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you try this through the holidays, and if you do, let us know down in the comments. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.